Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Park Shin Hye karaoke. We'll dive into her most beloved songs and how you can master them for your next singing session. Park Shin Hye, known for her acting, also has a beautiful singing voice, contributing to many drama soundtracks. We'll explore her vocal characteristics, key tracks, and offer practical advice to help you shine when performing her music. Get ready to add some of her charming tunes to your karaoke repertoire and impress your friends. Park Shin Hye's vocal style is characterized by its clear, sweet, and often emotional delivery. She typically excels in ballads and mid-tempo pop songs, where her voice can convey deep feelings. Two of her most iconic karaoke-friendly songs include Story from the drama The Heirs, a heartfelt ballad, and Lovely Day from You're Beautiful, a brighter, more cheerful track. These songs perfectly highlight her ability to connect with listeners through her singing. When singing Park Shin Hye's songs, focus on clear pronunciation and conveying the song's emotion. Many of her tracks are ballads, so practicing a gentle vibrato can add authenticity. Pay close attention to the original tempo and rhythm to capture the song's essence. Don't be afraid to use a good quality backing track. It can significantly elevate your performance. Remember, the goal is to enjoy expressing the song's story through your voice. Beyond her most famous hits, there's a wealth of Park Shin Hye's music to explore. Dive into her extensive contributions to drama original soundtracks, as she has lent her voice to many beloved series. Also, seek out duets she has performed with other talented artists, which often offer a different vocal dynamic. Don't forget to look for any special or unreleased tracks that might surprise you. Expanding your playlist will keep your karaoke sessions fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.